Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Hyundai key fob. This is out of a 05 Sonata. And here's what you need. You need a 2032 battery. You just need one of them. You get these off Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. There's a link below in the description. You need a small screwdriver like this. And that's all you need. Alright, so this side right here, there's a little notch right there. And basically put your screwdriver in there and start it, and then just start working your way around. Just go in, twist. It's not that difficult, just take your time. And then after a little bit, you can just do it by hand. Alright, so there is your battery. Go ahead and take that out. And that's your 2032. Positive side goes down, as you can see right there. Slip it in like that. Give this, oh, that came out. That goes right there. Alright, and then you can test it, make sure your red light's working. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.